Hi, today I will show you how to make potassium permanganate disappear. We need 100 ml of water, potassium permanganate and vitamin C. So at first we add 100 ml of water. And next we add some potassium permanganate. You can add at least 1 or 2 grams to see an effect. And we mix. Now, to get this color disappear, we take another 50 ml of water and add 1 pot of vitamin C. We mix. And now, to get reaction started, we add the vitamin C to potassium permanganate. We can see the color changed. This happened because vitamin C reduced potassium permanganate. Thanks for watching. If you have a proposition what I can do in previous video, you can write it in a comment. Bye!